Namaskar friends, this is astronumerologist Anupam V. Kapil with you, wishing you a very happy new year. Friends, today I'm going to be talking about annual number 6. How do you calculate an annual number? You take your day of birth, your month of birth, and add it to the current year, because we want to know the forecast for this current year. So if you're born on the 8th of January, you will add 8 plus 1 is equal to 9, plus you will add this 9 to 6 of the current year, because 2022 adds to a 6. Okay, so 9 plus 6 becomes 15 and 1 plus 5 becomes a 6. This is the only authentic way to predict as per classical numerology, and the rest of the forecasts, which are always given in print and electronic media, are based on fate numbers. They say that if you're born on 6, 15, 24th of any month, you are a fate number 6, and they give you a particular forecast, which is all wrong, because anybody born on these dates of any month will have the same forecast. Now let's quickly go to your number. See, this is a number to go, annual number 6 is a number of domesticity, because it is ruled by Venus. Venus is a motherly figure. It has to do with women, love, care, responsibility. Also, if you want to get a pet home, this is the right vibration to get a pet home. It is also, Venus also governs children. So if you are planning to have children, this is the right year to have. Overall, this vibration is a vibration of peace, love, harmony, and especially if you are born with a fate number 6. It's not the annual number which we are trying to distinguish between a fate number 6 forecast and an annual number 6 forecast, but still, if you are also in your 15th year, 24th year, 33rd year, 42nd year, 52nd year, 60th year, and 69th year, and if you are lucky, the 78th year, and so forth. These dates and ages add to number 6. So if this number is in sync with the current year, that is 2022, that is also 6, there will be some special achievement in your life, provided all the other stars agree and you are not having a Sadesati, etc. Now, people who are looking for getting married, this is the ideal vibration to get married. Especially, there may be sudden love also, and I feel that anything which when you spot the number 6, 3 and 2, and you're having a relationship or a friendship going on with such people, then your ears and antennas should stand up alert to get married, because this is a good vibration to get married to such people, and especially if they are also born under the sign of Taurus, Libra, and Cancer also. Cancer is also a water sign, and these numbers will naturally attract to you. This is a year of going a little bit slow on the career, taking rest, like Mother Nature also takes rest. Last year you had an annual vibration of number 5, which was quite a fast year. This is not going to be such a fast year. It's neither going to be a flirty year. You will settle down, and the colors which I feel that you should dress in to bring in your magnetic vibrations, according to classical numerologists like Julia Seton or Juno Jordan, and also according to Sephiriel Cairo and Dow Billiard, I take a mixture of all these and give you a common color, because if we look at Kiro, he will only give you one color, and that is the pale blue, which I am wearing to show you this is the right kind of blue for this vibration. Other numerologists also talk about different colors which you should use, like one is scarlet color, one is heliotrope, the other is orange, and one is blue purple. It's a very uncommon color, blue purple. So when you're going out on a date, or you're going on for even for a social function, which I see a lot of social functionings happening because of the 6th and Venusian influence, pleasure vacations shall also happen. These are the colors you must wear to look at your magnetic best. And in terms of career, I feel February, April, August, September, November. So a host of so many months are there for you in this year to excel in your career. This is also a year for good partnerships. Do not fight in this year, and you have to give maximum time to your loved ones. And also, if you're planning to buy objects of affluence, luxury, or update your wardrobe, or even if you want to do a makeover with your own self, maybe cosmetic dental treatment, or something to do with your face, or hair transplant, or have a wardrobe makeover, etc. This is the year to go for it. So friends, I feel that 6 is a number of peace for this year, and 6 is a number where you will thank your stars that you're finally getting some resting space and time to heal your body. People who are interested in fitness, because this particular year has to do with pleasure, with music, entertainment industry, arts, and people who are in these kind of industries, also the hotel industry. By the 6th month onwards, from June onwards, the vibrations of Venus will come to a full circle and Venus will give you in plenty. Last but not the least, 6 यानी कि शुक्र means Venus is the presiding deity of this particular planet is Lakshmi. So any mantras which are done for Lakshmi Devi will definitely bring prosperity, and the lucky days for asking favors etc. would be Fridays, Mondays and Thursdays. So friends, again wish you all the best, and I look forward to your feedback after the 6 months to tell me how this 6 and Venus is helping you in your life. All the best.